A lot of you guys are asking me, where's the market going to go? Where's the market gonna go after it just dumped so much? So the reasoning behind this dump was because everyone was afraid of what Jerome Powell was going to talk about in regards to interest rate. So now that that's all over, obviously we have some bullish momentum now. And it's not even Wednesday yet, it's Tuesday. So you could expect, since everything was perfectly fine, that people are going to cover into the weekend, especially if they're still short or think that there's still negative news coming. We predicted this. If you watched the prior video, you saw that we said that it's bearish because of this specific candle that showed, and we came down to 382, the 383.13 level, which was mentioned in the video also on TikTok, that this is a high probable bounce area. So all of this is timestamped. You can't even make this up. So check out that video prior, check out my TikTok, because we constantly do this and we also use the right tools to help us trade. So with this one, we saw that people were closing out their puts today. Actually, just before we get into everything technical wise, I will show you guys that I took all of these trades today. So I am down today, down $2,700. I was down $6,000 at first because of all my other positions. We did ride puts and we rode them for above, I believe. Everything's announced on my Discord server if you guys aren't here. But we wrote these puts and those are proof of my account on my phone. 1 second. In the morning, right here, 120%, I posted the trades. And it showed here which ones we took. This was even prior, actually. Yeah, so look. Boom. And also, boom, 120%. Got out the last one, blah, blah, blah. Bada bing, bada boom. And I will show you the proof in my current account right now that these are not fake screenshots, because I know a bunch of haters are gonna be like, no, he's lying. He doesn't take the trades that he says. So this goes to show. And then after that, we rode calls. So check that out. Calls. And what did we get at the end of the day? We got a huge run up, and this is the result of it. 98%, 55%, and that's only a few of the other ones that we didn't close out yet, but we're riding one last one, possibly to the 394 area for March 1st. I'm not too sure, but this game is all about playing direction, so don't be bear biased or bull biased. You just play the direction. We saw that the candle was about to close in a bearish form, so we took puts, capitalized off of that, then we moved on and left all those feelings behind, and we played the call side. So, like I said, this is real. I post my trades on my Discord. You can see the trades that I took myself, added to some positions today, but just go and decode this. I mean, 9 something, we closed out the puts. Wait, where is it? Does this show everything, or let's see, 955, we bought SPY calls, but I want to see the closing of the puts. Where did I see that? Close, sell the puts. Yeah, there we go. 345. Oh no, that's from yesterday. These, the 386 puts and all of that. Yeah, 930 something. Sorry, I thought it was in order, but I guess not. But yeah, sold all of these puts, entered the calls. Actually, I could do this. There we go. Sold all these puts at the beginning of the day. We entered calls, added to my long-term positions, and this is what happened. I mean, now we're down $3,000, but we were initially down $6,000, and I think we are poised for a more dramatic move up in the coming days. Don't see it as the dollar value. Plan out your trades, and you're going to be just fine, because the next day, this thing is gonna skyrocket to the freaking moon. So that's that. Where do I think the market's gonna go? I think the market's gonna go up now. Reason being, I've shown you guys this chart. We bounced off that high probability bounce area, and we are entering again the channel, the quote unquote flag or the channel. So if we do get some continuation above this 388.35 level, then we would most likely hit the top of this flag, which is around the 389 level. And if we break out, I could definitely see 392, 394. First, we're gonna see some resistance over here, and then we're gonna head over here to see if we could break out and above, possibly a new all-time highs. let's see. I don't know, but it seems like we are bullish. We got volume here as well. So let's see if we could get some follow through. As of right now, I am bullish. I am in calls, as you can see. As you can see, I am in calls right here. I am just in my last one because I already sold most of them for 98%, 100, and 110. So I am just holding one, but I did add to a bunch of my positions, added to Neo because that thing came down. But yeah, man, that's about it. Neo, same thing. It's trying to get above this this level, and earnings is coming up. I think we're gonna have some sort of a run coming up into earnings, especially with all this negative news that drove the price down. So SPY and Neo, that's all we're gonna cover. But have a great day, guys. Trade safe, have a plan, execute, and let's all work together. If you guys have any tickets you want me to look at, comment below. I would try to get back to it. I mean, I've done it on TikTok many times, but I want to make sure I cater to my YouTube audience as well. Let me know what stocks you want me to take a look at, and please leave a comment if this is helpful, because I'm doing this for you guys. I'm also obviously doing it for myself. I'm trying to grow my YouTube, my social media, and all of that. So make sure you go down there, follow me, follow my Instagram, follow everything as I try to get verified on 2021. So more life and more wealth to everybody. Oh, and before I leave, callsorputs.com. Look at that. QQQ calls since the morning. They entered calls at 3:12 and they kept adding calls. What is QQQ at now? We are at 321.59. That's why I say make sure you guys are trading with the correct tools. Make sure you guys are using the correct tools. Trading with confidence is a probability game. You want probability on your side. Trade with the right tools. Have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.